Hi there, you're watching the Gardens and Graveyards channel. My name is Charisma and today we are in the garden and we got ready for Halloween. It's Halloween tomorrow and we are keeping it super simple this year, but keeping with the theme, we wanted to share with you what our garden graveyard looks like this year. We're not having a party this year. Normally we have a Halloween party and we go a little bit more all out, so we didn't do anything on the inside and we kept the outside really simple. But we made these monster wreaths with you in a video, which I'll link below, and then we'll come out to the front and I'll just show you what we did this year. So here is our adorable little graveyard for this Halloween of 2022. We've got the monster shrubs in the back that we did a couple of weeks ago. Again, I can share the link below on how we did that. It was really super simple and made a big impact. They're adorable. And of course, we did this graveyard. These are styrofoam headstones. It's hard to say. That we've had. This one used to light up. It doesn't light up anymore. I'm gonna shoot from this side, just so my shadow's not in the way. These were prefabricated and we made this one, and then we made the wooden crosses. And then this chain is plastic from the Dollar Tree. These posts are the same posts that we have in our fence in the backyard, which just made it simple and easy to use. I have a container upside down here. We'll put a candy dish with an umbrella on it for trick-or-treaters. Our street has no street lights, so it's very dark after the sun goes down. So we just don't get that many trick-or-treaters. And yeah, but we've had a few new families move in this year, so maybe there will be kiddos coming in the early evening before the sun goes down. We do have lights set up, and I'll try to get a little footage of that and pop it into this video so you could see what it looks like at nighttime. It's just far easier to see the actual little graveyard, you know. in the daylight. And then I went ahead and popped a couple of pumpkins up on our porch baskets just to have a little fall interest up there after I stripped the super petunias out. So that's just Dusty Miller and pumpkins, and that's it. I went the little extra mile and we put extra mulch. Can't hardly see it. There's a little bit of extra mulch in front of the really tall headstones to try to look like, you know, fresh dug graves. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure that you like and subscribe. Keep sharing with your friends, and I hope you enjoyed this week of hanging out with us in ghost towns. We have one more coming your way for Halloween, and then we'll be back to regular programming. Until the next time, keep celebrating life, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.